Hello everybody, welcome back, Fumbler here, and today I have these very nice locks from Dome for you. They're special form factor, I think they're cabinet locks. You can install them in a drawer or so, and whatever mechanism interlocks with that part here will lock your drawers or your closet or whatever, I don't know, not so sure. Got them as a set, they're keyed different. They have 5 pins actually. On the other one you can see it a bit clearer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the keyway is really cute, really tiny. And yeah, let's get them in a vise and hopefully I can get them picked. When I got them first, I directly tried to pick them, but I didn't account for the cam in the back or the mechanism in the back, and I thought, well, all pins feel really picked. What is going on? Why doesn't it open? And the thing is, you cannot turn this counterclockwise in this position, so you have to turn it clockwise. And I was just doing that when I started with these. So using a thin pry bar in, I think it's 0.8 millimeters or so for Multipick, and also we'll be using a thin hook in 0.4 millimeters. So let's get started. So it's important to tension these counterclockwise, at least if it's locked like this, or let's assume the mechanism would lock it like this. Let's see what is binding. Good click on 2 or 3, I don't know. The pins are so close together, it's really hard to keep track where you are in the lock. By counting pins, best is just to go by feel and see what is still binding. And to feel the pins better, I'll usually use a steeper hook, but this one doesn't go around the corners so good. They give quite a good fight for a 5-pin lock in this dimension. Okay, number 5 was still binding. I didn't feel it before. Oh, come on. Okay, it was 5 again. The pins feel tapered or some sort of, because you have to revisit them quite a lot actually. That was 2. Now 2 seems happy. 3. Also happy now. Let's see what's in the back. Two feels binding or overset, I don't know. I think I overset it. Just released a bit. Yeah, that feels better now. Man, they're mean for their size. So increase tension a bit because I have to revisit the pins so often. Now one is binding tightly. Yeah, okay, got it. And to turn it 180, you need to insert it, pick and yeah, open and locked again. Let's do the other one as well quickly. Hopefully this goes a bit quicker. Don't rush it though, otherwise you will overset something. Those pins feel really weird, but I think it's just because the lock is so tiny. I don't think there's spools in there or anything mean. Maybe tapered drivers. That feels like it at least. Okay, this one was a bit easier. And again, it locks at 180 degrees and it just take a knot bend pick like this half diamond and push them all down. And usually that should work, yeah, like that. And the drawers would be open. Okay. Yeah. Very cool locks. Really tiny. Super fun. And yeah, I don't think I can easily get them. There seems to be a pin here, which you could punch out maybe. But really not sure. Maybe this would help to get this part out. But yeah, just the mechanism, I don't know. Maybe I will find out and continue the video here. But I guess that's all I have for you on these two nice dome locks, dome cabinet locks. So thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.